Hi Tim, this is a demonstration video of the functionalities of the compiled database. So this is like an update. I already summarized all the surveys here, all the team members, team leaders, all the months with Tunisia, the first month included here. There is an easy way to separate it. I will then filter it so that we have like here P3.1 and the P3.2 because the final evaluation report is going to be separated. So the compiled raw information is here. Yeah, I keep it here. This is like a safe spot, so please don't edit this tab. This tab you will need permission to edit, which I will give to you because you will do your own filter here. So I couldn't do like and it was not worth it to make a table because then you will have to filter everything when you need it. Um, and then to make the average, you would have to like select like this and see it here. Actually, yeah, you could see here. So that's too much work. So what I did is formulas here. Yeah, just please don't edit these formulas. I mean, one is not a big problem because I can drag, but yeah, this area is a bit sensitive to what you do. So this what you will need to do is just edit these two cells. Here you have the options, and so this is the month. This is the 6 month. So the months are not in January, February, because Tunisia is included here. And even if it's not included, it is always better to know like the first month, the last month, and its standards also for Tunisia. And the countries, you have the initials. So South Africa is only an S, and you can write all. The all means that you are not discriminating by country nor by month. So this means the last month of the survey of the program, the average of total employees was 7.62. Um, you can see the indicators, of course, are in the sixth row. So you can see here, you can just pass. This is still, the order is not perfect because sometimes you will see like numbers, of course, and then there are questions which are not numerical, but I wanted to keep it all in the same document because I will need to have access to it later, and some of you probably also, for example, in the monthly goals. So selecting the goals or the highlights, then you have immediately access to the name, the business, and even in which month it was asked. So yeah, it's a great help here. So yeah, I've been testing and it's going up good. Um, so let me do another test. You can see like Egypt, the last month, yeah, the average was 11.5 total of employees. In the second month, for example, it was 9.978. So this, I think, it is a very easy solution, um, yeah, for the problem, which is to have access to clean numbers. Yeah, the table was already clean. The numbers that needed to be clean, and these are the major indicators here that, from my experience, people ask me, and also that we used for the final evaluation. So this is not the final stage, of course. My idea is to have another tab here with a nicer board, like only this board, but probably in the vertical, and yeah, just more pleasant aesthetically. this is the yeah just another reminder that this is going to be added for everyone. So just don't change things here, because if you change things here by even by accident, we will never know, and then things will be wrong. And imagine if I start doing a report with one number, if you just do this by mistake and click on delete, then the next person who is going to use it is going to use a different number, and the numbers will be different from report to report or from post to post. That's not an ideal situation. But if if you don't touch like this part, the rest should be fine, because these formulas are really sensitive. If you just delete something, it will like appear like a mistake for sure. Yeah, so it's not a huge problem. Just let me know if you have any suggestion or any feature that you would like to see here, so that I can start build the final document, because this is just a draft. Thanks.